Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's this video, I will tell you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo F21 Pro. So if in this device, if you're having any problem like your device heats up while using or heats again and again, you can fix easily by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the heating issue in your device Oppo F21 Pro. Let's watch it.